Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the Gardenscapes game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Gardenscapes game on your device and you will be asked to agree with the privacy policy. Tap on the OK button and now you will be guided through the game and you will be asked to enter your player name. After proceeding forward with your player name, you will be guided through the basic interface of the game. And once you go through all of this, you will be given tasks to do. You can tap on the close option and now click on the settings option at the top right corner and then tap on save progress. You will now see the sign in with Google as well as the Facebook option. Tap on whichever option you used while signing up for your account. And now you can enter your credentials and then click on the continue as button and you will be logged into your Gardenscapes account right away. And this will also continue your game from where you left off in the previous gameplay. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account within the Gardenscapes game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.